Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free lead system review video, I'd like to share with you a free lead system that you can join for free today, and you can get started in 3 simple steps. Also, with this system, I want to show you how it's a complete 100% done for you system. So you don't even need an autoresponder to become successful because it's got a built-in done-for-you autoresponder within the system itself. And what this does, the autoresponder will promote any offer that you're currently promoting now or your primary business on autopilot. So you can use these free leads to earn commissions. There is an option to upgrade and to earn unlimited $6 commissions with free lead system. It is optional, not compulsory, and you don't need to do that to become successful with this system. There's a Facebook group for help, support, and training, and currently there's 48,000 members within that Facebook group. So I'm going to take you inside the system and show you exactly how it works, show you some proof of the leads as well. So the first thing, what they give you, first of all, is they give you a done-for-you lead capture page to promote. So you don't have to create anything. You don't have to create a lead capture page, any autoresponder messages. And if you want to get your free lead system today, there'll be a link in the description where you put your email into there, and then they'll send you an email with your username and your login details, and you can get started with these 3 simple steps. So when you log in, what happens is a little overview video here, and then these are the 3 simple steps that you take to get started. So first of all, just recommend watching the video overview here. Number 2, enter your website below. So this window here is where you put your offer into the system. So when you generate a lead, the autoresponder messages go out automatically and they promote your offer. If you haven't got an offer to promote, don't worry, because you can just send me an email. My email address will be in the description, and then I'll email you an offer you can join for free. And if anybody upgrades with that offer, then you'll earn some commissions. And you can change that offer at any time. And then that's your, it says here, step 3, advertise your link, which just means promote your affiliate link. And that's your affiliate link that you'll get there to promote your lead capture page. So what I'll just do now is I'll just show you some proof of the leads. And if you do upgrade, the package is called Lead Lightning. And then if you do upgrade, then your leads will go into your Lead Lightning account. If you don't upgrade and you stay within the free lead system, then your leads will go into your free lead system account. There's a traffic training here that you're going to get. So free traffic training on how to promote your lead capture page. At the end of the video, I'll give you some more free traffic resources that I personally use that you can use to promote this offer. So I'm going to show you proof of the leads, and I'm going to blur out the members' information for privacy, but I just want to show you that you do get leads, real leads, not fake or bots or anything like that. And so far with the system, I've generated 108 leads, and you'll see here the bottom left-hand corner, there's 8 different pages now, with 50 up to 15 leads on each page. So 108 leads is what I've generated. And then what's happening is now the system is promoting my offer that I've put into the free lead system to these leads on autopilot. So it's a complete 100% done for you system. And if you do want to upgrade to Lead Lightning, I'll just show you some proof here that you can earn commissions from Lead Lightning. So if you want to upgrade to Lead Lightning, again, it's optional and not compulsory. One time $7, but you'll see it converts well. So far, I've earned $90 in commissions. So if you're looking to if you haven't made any money online yet, or you're looking to get into profit fast with an offer, then because there's no monthly membership costs with Lead Lightning, just a one-time $7, you can start to earn unlimited $6 commissions. And you'll see here that I've earned 15 $6 commissions here. Now, you'll see here it says free members just upgraded, free members just upgraded, free members just upgraded. So the commissions here with the free members just upgraded, they're the ones that have come through the free lead system. So if you do upgrade and join Lead Lightning, you can still promote free lead system and give something away for free and still earn these commissions as well. And I've got some free traffic sources here for you. These are my best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing leads I personally use every day. It's a blog post that I wrote to help out beginners, and I'm going to pin this blog post to the top comment below this video that you're watching now. So if you want to start getting free traffic to your free lead system lead capture page, then I recommend these free traffic sources. I still use these every single day, so I know that they work, and I've been using them for quite some time now. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please also share the video on social media as well. I'd appreciate that. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every single week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about either free lead system or Lead Lightning, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And if you do want to contact me direct through email, my email address will be in the description. So just to get started today and access your own free lead system, and the link will be in the description. Just go onto this page here, just put your email in there, and then whatever email address you put in, they will send you your username and login details, so you can log in and to your own free lead system account. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.